With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A triangle ABC has angle B is equal to angle C. Prove that first part, the perpendiculars from the midpoint of BC to AB and AC are equal. Second part, the perpendicular from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. So let us solve this problem one by one. It is given there is a triangle and angle B is equal to angle C. So first we will draw the diagram. So let us take the triangle. In this triangle, angle B is equal to angle C. So angle A, B and C. So it is given angle B and angle C are equal. Then we must prove that, this is the first question, the perpendicular from midpoint of BC. Now let us draw a point, that is midpoint M on BC, and from midpoint BC perpendiculars to AB and AC. So let us draw perpendiculars from M to AC and again perpendicular from M to AB. So here the angle is 90 degree, here also angle is 90 degree. So we can name it as P and Q. Now we must prove that perpendiculars from midpoint of BC to AB and AC are equal. So we must prove perpendiculars. These two perpendiculars are equal. So to solve this, let us write what is given here. So given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C. And M is a midpoint of BC. So MP perpendicular to AB and MQ is perpendicular to AC. Now to prove MP is equal to MQ. So we must prove MP is equal to MQ. So let us prove this. In triangle, we will take these two triangles. In triangle PBM and QCM. In triangle PBM and triangle QCM. So in these two triangles, BM is equal to CM. BM is equal to CM because M is the midpoint. And MPB is equal to MQC. Angle MPB is equal to angle MQC. It is equal to 90 degree. It is given in the. So these two are perpendicular lines, it is given. And also angle B is equal to angle C. So angle B is equal to angle C. It is also given. Therefore, using these two angles and one side. Therefore, these two triangles PBM is congruent to triangle QCM. Angle, side rule. Okay, using the angle and side rule, congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. If the triangles are congruent, we can conclude that the sides are equal. So MP is equal to MQ. So therefore, MP is equal to MQ. So corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this is the answer for first one. Now let us prove the second one. First we will draw the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C. So this is the triangle ABC. B and C. Angle B is equal to angle C. It is given. The perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. So we must prove from B, the line drawn to the opposite side, that is the perpendicular line, and also from C, the line drawn to the opposite side, that is also perpendicular line. So these two are equal. We can name it as P and Q. So BQ and CP are equal, we must prove. Now given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C. This is given. And BQ is perpendicular to AC and CP is perpendicular to AB. This is given. How to prove? Perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. So here BQ is equal to CP. We must prove this. BQ and CP are equal. Now proof. Now since angle B is equal to angle C, we can take AB is equal to AC here. So first we will take the triangles. In triangle ABQ and triangle ACP. ACP, these two triangles. AB side here, this side, the side AB and side AC are equal because angle B is equal to angle C. It is a isosceles triangle. So we can write AB is equal to AC. Since angle B is equal to angle C, it is a isosceles triangle. And also it is given this angle is 90 degree here. So AQB or APB. So APC angle equal to AQB. It is 90 degree is given. Since the BQ and CP are perpendicular, so these two angles are equal to 90 degree. And also here angle A is the common angle. Angle A is common angle. So therefore the two triangles, triangle ABQ is congruent to triangle ACP. Here also two angles and one side. So therefore angle, side congruency rule. These two triangles are congruent. So we can conclude that since the triangles are congruent, the sides are equal. So BQ is equal to CP. So BQ equal to CP, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this is the proof of the first and second part.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.